What's good? Is
No, I can't use that. Zach said something bad. But, alright guys, we just got out to the lake. We are, we're getting out. We're gonna do a overnight. Might do a little competition tomorrow, we'll see. There is, some other people out there. I'll switch the camera around. There's a good amount of people over that way. This is just where people are parking. Out that way. There's a pretty nice sized little pile right there. Another guy driving. There's a lot of people. That's where it makes us feel a lot better about driving out. But yeah, we're gonna get going. Stockton's just leaving. He's heading the way up there. We forgot the mats, so he's had to run back there and grab them quick. But it what?
It was his fault.
Why was it my fault?
Why was I supposed to remember it? I grabbed everything else.
Why
You just sat in here and didn't do anything.
What?
Oh, I'm just giving you a hard time. I gotta pee.
Alright, well, we'll see you guys when we get out there. We are headed out. Got this snow bear. It's a good sign, hopefully. Oh, yeah. See you guys when we drill a hole.
Someday when we're famous, we're gonna have one of those.
Maybe even...
Before we're famous?
No, maybe even 1.5 of them, or 2. Ooh.
It's a little slippery.
Flickery.
I suppose I could put it in 4-wheel drive.
Drop back down quick. Okay, now I'll raise it up. Right there. Keep jigging it up. You jigging it at all?
It was.
Doesn't look like it's jigging on there. Alright guys, we're making our way to we're trying to make our way to the spot we went last time, but there's a big pressure ridge running across it. Here, I'll flip it around so you guys can see it. It's a pretty rough looking one, but we're gonna see if we can try to cross it further down this way. Ideally we'd like to get back to the spot we were last time because we were catching a lot of fish. But if we can't do it, we're gonna drill in front of it, behind it, and on it. Just check the ice on it. But you can never be too careful around these. And if it's not good, then we're just not gonna try it. But it's not one of those things where you go 30 and try and get across. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. First flag. It could have been. It's not scary.
We'll see here. Was it wind?
It is off to the side though. What is going on here? Got something. What are we thinking?
Little itty bitty walleye.
Itty bitty walleye. Just like usual.
Well, we're not skunked.
We're not skunked, you're alright. They're the biggest. What do you feel that guy back? Yeah, he's still swimming. Let's send this guy back though. He went.
Alright.
Keep going.
Yeah. We got a tip up there, there, and there. Hopefully, we can catch some more fish.
Yeah. Got him?
He's taking a look.
Another tip up. treacherous, spin some line out. I think I spun it the wrong way. Got it? Yep. Nice.
Yeah. It's something.
About as nice as you can get on this lake.
Yeah, you got here.
Good.
Well, we just had two go up simultaneously.
Yep.
Ty's caught, mine didn't. About figured.
Send her back.
So, yeah.
We'll get this tip up reset and the other one too.
Little guy. Oh, there he goes. Well, I got here a little late, but
Dude, that thing was swimming out like around like one of those catfish things.
well, hey, you should just don't put that on a bump board. I know you love it when people do that.
Oh, Tom Bowley.
He can't even talk. I like Tom Bowley. That's a good fish.
Pretty fish.
Hold on, Ty. Do it again. Okay.
See it either?
I don't know.
I don't think it's over 24.
No.
That's really our, usually our cutoff.
Just go check quick.
Actually.
I just caught mine on the same thing, just pink. Just using a little forge minnow. Is it frozen?
Oh no.
20. I guess we're just used to smaller ones. Well, keeper.
Good keeper though.
All right.
Okay guys, just got this nice 20, probably 21 inchers. Fat though. We're getting some slabs off of this guy. My GoPro's being funny. It keeps saying power low, so nothing really we can do about that. We got some tip ups out. We haven't gotten too much on those. This thing came in real funny, almost like on Red Lake when they're just swimming around, just doing a whole bunch of stuff. Came up, he missed it, and then the second time he went up and crushed it. It was good, but flag.
Gotta catch up to me.
I heard that one go up. Means you need to raise it up more. But yeah, we'll keep going, guys.
Set it down on the.
All right, hey guys, there's
Set it down on the shovel.
Stockton.
I was just chefing up some
on the shovel
some
too.
sizzle steaks. I had to put them on the shovel because we
Which
don't
one?
gotta start from the bottom too.
Started from the bottom, now we're here.
Don't got a plate, so we gotta use the shovel. Two people are gonna have to split one.
Oh yeah. That's good.
This is a spot.
It's
It's a decent sized fish. I'll be right back. Ooh. Fish down there. Two of them actually. There's two fish down there, Zach.
my rod's stuck.
Hurry up, come on. Exactly. Oh, that was big. That hole. That hole.
I don't have any bait on, but
Raise it up. Don't jig it so hard. He's right there.
I can't see it.
I saw it. You weren't looking when you were like, ooh. I thought he ate it.
He did. I didn't know where it was.
Oh.
Ty? Can't see it.
Stockton, be quiet. Right there, right there. Stockton, grab another rod. Stockton, quick. Put it down, put it down, put it down. There's a couple following it. Get that one off, Zach. The back one's the biggest. Right there, up. Up a little bit. Right there, right there. Get down there. One of those. Lower. Ooh, I have pocket now.
Let me see if I can.
Pocket minnow.
I seem to remember you trashing pocket minnows on Anton Bowley.
No, I trashed Tom Bowley not measuring fish. I'm just moving that way. The feeding jiggle.
You don't call it jigging off.
Better fish or what?
Yeah.
Oh yeah! Monster!
Way better.
Monster!
Good thing it wasn't a monster because he forced it.
Yeah, he would have.
No, you haven't.
Zach, George, you were horsing that thing.
I was not horsing the thing.
We're horsing, dog.
Yep. What? Dad knows. Dad knows. The viewers and Papa Ty, we seen it bite. We were like, yay. And then you're like, you over screenage over here watching the. Another one down there. I'm gonna spin it quick.
So we flipping a coin for who gets the. We're doing Siri, pick a number 1 through 3. Who gets the whole sizzle steak?
You know?
No, I don't
You
care.
guys get each one more, and then there's 2 more after that.
I don't care. I'll split one.
He took the rest of my. Or he took.
And this man a sizzle steak. Mm. 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 I think it's still on.
I know.
Okay. Guys, the walleye are still down there. It's awkward. Oh, he's coming up to yours, Zach. Never mind. Or yeah, that was just. Alright, fellas and felines. We are eating some pork chop. I just took all my medicine and my cough drop, so it messed with my flavor tasting, but it tastes alright. Stockton and Zach have one for them, just one for me. That chunk was pretty good. We'll see you guys when something else happens.
Lights, please.
What was it? Is it through the cord?
Go, yeah. Pull that out, Ty.
It's through it. Oh. Keep tension on it.
Missed a pike. Let's go back up. There's no fish down there.
Send the pike through it.
Put the pike. Zach, there's another fish down there.
Sorry, I thought he was just gonna put it down there.
Okay, I'm awake enough to reset my dead stick now.
Doesn't look very big, but oh yeah. Way to leave, stacked it.
Nice job leaving.
I care about the 10-inch walleye.
Yeah, well, he caught another one. Another 10-inch walleye.
Only cut.
Get in my belly.
Only caught 1 million of those on sharp this last year.
Fair.
I probably caught more of those size walleye
Little guy.
on sharp
On that.
last year than a lot of people have ever caught.
The good news is you don't have to reset it. Or I guess you do have to reset it, but it's...
You wrapped up my line. Morning, you.
No, they saw us this morning. At about 3 o'clock.
That's right. So what, afternoon?
Something like that. I'm gonna turn this on so I can see. It's little Walter. There she goes. Guess I can do a little update. So, oh, there's was that the one you sent down, or was there another one? So the last time you saw us was about 3 o'clock when Zach caught that northern, and I went and checked some tip ups, but we have nothing on tip ups yet. They're pretty frozen in too, though, so I had to chip them out a little bit. Wasn't too hard, but I think Jake's gonna get here around like 9:30 or 10. So about when it gets above freezing, so that'll be handy. But yeah, we'll keep fishing. Are we doing anything for breakfast?
Pork chops?
I guess we might have pork chop for breakfast, we'll see.
Or Pop-Tarts.
Or Pop-Tarts. But once Stockton gets up, we will, or we might not even need to turn the lights on here soon. But I don't know when we're gonna take the shack down. But we'll keep you guys updated. Hey guys, we just got a flag up. It's beautiful. Sorry about the wind. Beautiful sunrise. We're walking over there. No, the wind might have popped it, so I wouldn't be too surprised. There's nothing on it. Oops, duh. Let's see. Alright, guys. Flag number whatever is up. Sorry about the wind. See how it goes.
Does not want me.
He doesn't want to ride with us.
Oh no, he wants a little better fish too. Oh yeah.
Is this Stockton's first fish?
Yeah, baby, yeah.
Yeah!
Look at that monster.
First fish of the weekend. And it is a toad.
It is. What?
Stop! Giant.
Monster. Oh.
Oh, it's alive. It just doesn't want to swim down Ty's nasty hole.
There's a joke in there somewhere.
Whoa, 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 whoa. It's about 9 o'clock. Jake will be out here soon.
Dork football star.
Dork football star. Is Hunter coming out?
No.
Who else is coming out?
Not Ferb anymore.
Ferb's not coming out anymore.
The fish over here.
Unfortunately.
Colin is coming out?
Yeah.
What time's he getting here?
I don't know.
Approximately whenever he gets out of bed, about an hour and a half later.
Yeah.
But it'd be cool to get him on some fish. But
Yeah, no. I don't
It's
know.
him
if
and his uncle.
Oh, is his uncle coming?
Unc. So we should call him Unc the whole time. We should.
Did I tell you I was working at the gas station one night? And this guy walks in.
With that itty bitty waist in the room.
But it was this guy and an older gentleman walk in. He comes up to the counter. He goes, give me a pack of 24/7 hundreds. So I put them there, and I hear, hey, I got you cigarettes. And then he walks out, throws them at the dude, and walks out.
Solid.
The fellow was wearing a bathrobe.
Sounds like a unk.
That hole is gross.
It's disgusting.
That hole is, oh, it just bubbled. What is that? You guys that keep making fun of my hole.
I can't remember where we were, but Morgan asked me if all the bubbles coming up were fish farting.
Tell her yes.
No.
I think you should have.
You should have.
I probably should. Could you gotta get another hot part?
Alright, we'll see you guys when we either get more fish or we're packing up and we're looking for fish. Peace. It was a pocket minnow. That pocket minnow was without water for a long time.
Gotta have pocket.
They're both alive. What the heck?
I had a pocket minnow in my.
I'll put them in the hole.
You are the problem. This is why we have invasive species. Because of you.
That thing is not living. No way. You cannot convince me. Both of those are dying or getting eaten. Anyway.
By what fish?
Valid point.
The pike that.
You see that ice heave that's out there?
Yeah, dude, that's crazy.
Big sucker, isn't it?
I was hoping that you guys weren't on the other side of that.
Yeah. So we were on the other side of it yesterday. We waited, and this dude, or we checked the ice. Away from it was about that far away. It was
The Dort football
20 inches or
star
so.
made it, guys.
Barely.
on it was
Barely
12 to
made
15.
He barely made it.
And I go, we're gonna call Stockton. He's gonna tell us to just go fast. Call him. So what do you think we should do? I think you should just go fast.
Exactly what that other guy did too.
Yeah, he did. But we let somebody else do it before we did.
Alright, we're gonna get packed up, I think.
Are we?
Are we?
Oh, it's spinning.
It's spinning too.
It snapped me off.
You probably have to turn that off.
So Zach just had everything fly across the lake. So, how you doing, Zachy Boo?
I'm glad I'm a track star. But I was sure running.
That was impressive. Need help?
Figure this thing out right now.
Alrighty. Yeah.
Update.
All right, guys. Dort football star here. Dort bearing star. We got a bearing out on the old Ford Fusion.
We'll listen to it when he drives away.
Do you want to go tell
So I'm gonna head out. Didn't even get a line in the water. We're gonna go get this fixed and hopefully be back tonight.
I forgot. I need to go grab my tip up over there too.
We'll see. We'll see what happens. Yeah, Ty's forgetting stuff, and yeah, you'll hear it. You'll know what's going on. So
All right.
we'll see you later. Bye. Love you.
Love you.
Hey Zach, you want a pork chop?
Yes, you want a pork chop. Stay here in a second.
Oh, they're all done. We can cook Pop-Tarts on the Buddy Eater.
I am very excited for that wind to slow down.
Yeah.
I'll be here soon too.
I hope.
Oh, look at that.
So viewers,
Look at that.
give them an update, Zach. What's
Well,
let me tilt this down a little
we
bit. Eating some pork chop.
are eating pork chops. By we, I mean me, because he's cooking and Ty
Well, I already ate
is.
one.
Oh. Well, he already ate one. And Ty doesn't ever need to eat because he's immortal and weird.
Start from the bottom.
Let's see. Best meal I've ever had cooked out of the back end of a pickup truck, hands down. Yep. That's pretty good.
Yeah, for sure.
But yeah, if we could find perch, like we're finding walleye, that'd be handy. But
And usually finding walleye is a good thing.
yeah,
But they're only 12 inches long.
yeah, it's not helpful when they're not very big. But we'll take what we can get, I guess. Some fish is better than no fish. We got the bigger walleye we caught last night, cooking up on the Blackstone, and we're kind of just posted up, waiting for tip-ups to go off, and kind of chilling during the middle of the day. So, kind of the update.
Not even 3 o'clock.
No.
Still have 4 hours of fishing. Something like that. At least the shack's down. We don't gotta do that now.
Yeah.
Right under you. He's coming. He's looking up. Oh, that's a nice one. Look like they bit. That looks like a good fish. Oh, he's coming back. He's coming back. Just snap you off. Makes you feel better. You gotta Feels a little bit better. Feels like a northern. Oh yeah. What?
Is that on my leader?
Yeah. It's a nice northern. I have to get a flick with that guy.
Turn into the sun.
I'm well, yeah.
Well, I suppose I called it.
You wanna video quick?
Alright.
Alright guys, got this little 30-inch northern. Send it back. Finally doesn't look diseased. I should picture the one. Yeah. There we go. There we go. There it goes. Ah. Stockton. Stockton. Dude, that's not too big. A 35-inch gator over there. It's massive.
Open your mouth.
Never the camera.
Open your mouth. Your mouth.
Get him. Come on, get him. Pocket minnow is not alive, but we still have it. According to Ty, there's a gator over there. I don't believe him.
They see it on here.
Yeah, sure they did. Well, they're seeing it on here now.
Hook is embedded inside.
Yeah, I can play this game all day. Okay, well, we're probably gonna go try somewhere else. We've caught approximately 15 walleye here that were all under the sizes of 12 inches and a 30-inch northern. So
Here, come look.
we need to move.
See if you can see that. Oh yeah, there's nothing now.
See? You're just seeing things.
None. Something big on the bottom. Some more walleye. Another gator.
Alright, well, we're cleaning.
Oh. I think he was
Insinuating
he was
something.
doing some sexual motions. So there's this road that right over there that comes down and meets with this road, sunken road right here. So we're fishing that corner. Otherwise, we could go try that hole right here.
Is that a hole or
It's just a
it
deep
goes
spot.
up or it gets deeper?
Yeah, pretty much.
I can remember what the colors were.
Alright, we're gonna try this spot.
No!
How'd you yank on the transducers there?
To get it out of the hole.
Put it down. Put it down.
Spin that sucker. There he is. That's a tree. Dude, he was on that thing.
No! Dude, he hammered it too. Of course it's on the ultralight.
I know.
Dude, that would have been a fight.
They identify as crows. No?
No, I don't know.
There's 2 foxes.
Oh, they didn't like that. That's for sure. Okay, sunset's at 7. Alright guys, this is our sad outro. We didn't find any good fish. Probably should have stayed where we were, but we decided to go look.
Except for the one pike that hammered me.
Yeah, you guys saw that. But probably not the worst fishing trip I've been on.
No, I think that would be classified as the one where you and Dad came to Thompson with me. No, the one when you came with Stockton. You didn't catch a single one.
That
Didn't even mark the
or
fish.
Plankington or wherever that was, and I caught
X-Town?
16 hours of fishing for one fish. That was not okay. But we're gonna head back. We're gonna be done. So
Sunset.
it's a pretty sunset.
That's pretty view.
But alrighty, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.